Welcome to your daily live stream. I'm your host, MC. Let me get a Confederate medieval bard core intro. Hit the mic, baby. All right, I didn't even see what I sounded like myself there, but you know, maybe this will just be another one of these patchy streams where only it's meant for my God's eyes only. This is how we're wearing headphones in 2024, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at these analytics. Talk.Online performance analytics. Over the last 6 hours, we had, is it from Brazil, Germany, Australia, the Czech Republic, Sweden? Last 24 hours, what do we get? Nigerian scammers, per usual. Brazil. That's kind of a rare one. You can always see Austria on here. That's kind of new. I've been seeing that repeatedly. I think maybe I just checked it recently. Could have been the same visitor, but no, nothing crazy. Really low over the last, since we got off Pink Sale. Really not seeing many visits, so that's okay. We're not really doing much volume on the chain either. Let's go ahead and is everything up? RGB of the day. So it's decently red, pretty green, not that blue. This looks kind of decently red. It's gonna be kind of purple, right? Try again. Okay, well maybe it's this one. Try again. Okay, but then I was thinking this one originally. Oh, should have gone with my gut there. All right, see, this is the kind of cool game you can do on Talk Online. You can't really do much place else. What the hell is this? All right, let's see. Boom, 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 boom. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you post on Talk Online. Let me just move this over here so I can see if any chat messages pop up. Alrighty. Oh man, score of 0. Not what you want to see. All right, let's dive right in. I mean, this is a good meme, right? Four minutes, 20 seconds in. We haven't done many tags, have we? Game. Let's just say, oh, see, this is a good one. So let's do this. Tags management, game. I think this is the first time I've minted a tag with this account because I just claimed my talk tokens. As should anyone listening to this, get some talk tokens today. All right, we just confirmed that transaction, right? Now we want to place this into here. And all right, that's cool. All right, now we can go ahead and start using it for these games, right? All right, so game should work. One pending transaction, that's fine. I see those are not games. This is a game, but I don't really like it that much. Yeah, this right here would be a good for something like a joke tag. This would be good for a meme tag. This is just cool, like animation to have. It's a YouTube video. It's just a clock. We don't really have any games, right? So, all right. Let me go. I think we have some games in. Oops. I'm gonna change the algorithm we're using. See if there's any games in here. XMTP. Lots of good stuff. Where is seems like we don't have Door Fortress, which is definitely a game. I haven't seen that one yet. Whatever. Alright, this is a cool embedded website. I do kind of like this runway thing. I maybe need to start using it more to actually generate art, but as you can see, like, you can fully functionally do everything that you can do in Runway, technically, and Talk.Online. So you can't do everything on Talk.Online that you can do in Runway. So it's an interesting dynamic as far as that goes. All right, come on. Maybe it's not letting me log in with Google because it's through an iframe or something. So I'm going to setting. All right, you live and you learn. All right. We got some AI art. All right, well, at least let's make sure that what we did earlier was legit. And see, it just goes up. Now we have the tag for the game right here. I just had the weirdest thing happen in my headphones. Oh, YouTube is now making me, it like took me out of, I was listening to music on YouTube and it took me out of there to update something new on the app. Are they trying to spy on me or are they trying to spy on me? All right. All right, one thing, we just need to go. This thing is so ugly. I'm so glad I got a new awesome loading screen, like a real one. Oh, you didn't even see it because it loads so fast. That's elite load time right there. All right, so what file is this? This is for tag ID, I think. Let me see. We got loadtalk.gif. Tag ID.html. Yeah, see, see /load talk.gif and press this page. Oh, and now it's the cool one and it's looking good on that load screen. All right, boom, game. See, that's just a great GIF to just put under your game, right? But the problem is, we want a feed of games to appear right here and an information about the game, sort of subforum management of the of the NFT right here, because right, this is an NFT that actually gives you some utility, right? Because it's really this image is not the NFT; it's usage of this forum, which you also have the name game for. So that could be useful. Let me get my headphones squared away. It looks like YouTube is done. Nope, not quite. All right, now YouTube is done being a parasite for me listening, just trying to listen and stream at the same time. Oh no. Oh no. Connect my Bluetooth headphones. Do it, do it, do it. Nope, that's not it. What are these things called? Alright. And so we want to have the same. Alright, so we've got kind of a basic outlook, but we just need to get inspiration from the index. All right. All right. Now, go into the index.html file. Index.html. And what do we see? What do we see? And cool. All right, so this one versus this one, what's the difference? Because there's definitely some similarities there, right? We're seeing some similarities. So what do we? Okay. So this thing, obviously, it shows the content, but we need to have it say a little bit more about the post, right, under there. So in index, we do that, right? We have, actually, I think we just have, like, all this is in the container, right? And then this is a container, but the container is empty. So we should just say, this is a tag. What's that look like? It should be just appearing right there. No, it appears right above there. Interesting. Okay. So I was wrong. Control F, content. And we'll be chilling. Content. Oh no. We got rid of this as a tag, right? There, it's gone. Alright, so do we use plus equals? Okay, that's two places. Where does it go? It's content plus equals outfit. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, so this actually is the same thing, right? So this is pretty more significant, right? This is the area there. Now we're editing. Okay. Okay. tag management coming soon. 1, 2, 3. And now it goes loads this tag management coming soon, right? So in the index.html, when it else, what does this else do? Display content, we did this if window.ethereum oh, and we already have this get tag details stuff, so that's nice. Display content form viewers. So I guess we need our own version of display content, but it goes right here, right? So all it takes as an argument is view of the form and okay, so index, I only have, okay, so display content in there has a tag viewer and a form viewer. We already have a tag viewer in here, so we could just do a form viewer as well, not a big deal. We also have a new RPC node right here, so that'd be a pretty easy fix to do real quick. Not even something you're necessarily thinking about all the time, but yep. All right. So here the display content is really just, it takes the okay, really it's using load content though, which is you have a post ID, takes as a post ID the provider. Okay, that's really not a lot, right? So all we need to do is we don't have this post section, but it's all based on the algo, right? And this doesn't have an algo, so well, you could just load it from one tag. Let me get a, what happens if you edit this? Oh. Alright, well. What about a chill Confederate medieval bardcore song? What does that sound like? Contract signer. We don't quite need that yet, right? Wait, let's log this content, right? Console.log content. No, because I have an ID named content, and then I have an output named content. So then, when I have this, what actually shows up, right? Right here. So 0, 0, the owner, and okay, so in the GitHub, what is that? Tag details. Get tag details. Where? Get tag details gives you an ETH fee, a token requirement, a modifiable field, and so we want to query an event actually here, right? Because we already have the ID. So right, where's this event? Tag, I guess post tagged is in the form. Okay. So we actually want to query the get post replies. Get posts. Where the heck are all my events? Event. Post tagged. Okay, emit post tag is in the tag post, right? And that has the post ID. Okay, but which one of them is indexed, right? Indexed, indexed. So you can query when a specific people tagged, but when it comes to the post ID, you can't actually retrieve them. Chat, is this really the case? I can't frickin' do the thing I want to do. Alright, hang on. Let me think about this. Okay, yep. This is why my junior engineer was having trouble with this. Because you can't query the event the way that you want it to. Hmm. 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 So you can query, if you have an address, you can query. If you have an address, you can query. You can query the addresses that this person has, or the tags that this person's done, or you can do the tags that have been on a post, but you can't do what posts were using this tag, right? Dang. All right, we got to update that event. Well, we got to update all our posts now, right? Can't just keep deleting the form. I can just put them in a different file and then like load them somehow. All right. In the meantime, you can do posts, right? All right. So when you click on a post, you want to show like stats about the post. So let's just move to post ID. Similar sort of setup here. And we don't still have the, no. But we do have the wrong. That explains why it was a little bit slow whenever I would use it. Or sometimes inconsistent. V. All right. Cool. All right. Well, we want to show information about the stuff. We ever listen to that? What? I swear I was making some. Oh. Did not, for personal project, other. I'm just exploring. I'm not sure. I'm confident. Other. No. Free. 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 Skip. Not right now. Jeez. I really don't like how companies just throw this in your face like this. Alright. Create project. I just want to use the AI for what I was already doing. AI or magic. Guys, I just want to use one feature that I got here from. And you guys made me sell my soul to the devil and didn't even provide the service. I guess that's what I should have expected as soon as I sold my soul to the devil. Sometimes you get what you want. So that's the thing. It's not always consistent. Putting this down McCaffrey. Alright. Does social media have a bad brand? Forum for all. Forums. We love forums. People. Oh no. The website's not working because of... I don't really know why this happens. It does happen all the time though. It's like... if I just use this site a lot or something, and then it just suddenly starts working if I just like reload like that. I don't know why it does. Find this emoji, boom. Correct. So I was thinking about making these things like boxy, right? But I was running into some problems as a result of doing so. And look at this. This thing only works on mobile, but you can draw things on it. I do think I might have a, whatever happened to that one thing? I had like an art maker that was kind of cool that I got in ChatGPT to write. It's somewhere around here. Let's see. Rainbowdraw.html. Talk.Online /rainbowdraw. Rainbow. And then I can just do this, right? Pretty dank. Look at this. Alright. So then what happens when I post it into here? And what happens if there's a Giphy iframe? What's like a frame? Iframe would be good. Frame. See, this would be good to have as like the iframe thing where it's like you want to have, you know, active things. So it's like you got to mark it under this tag and they all fit together in different ways. Amazing. All right, so look, we're drawing it. Okay, now does it appear in here? And it does. Check it out. We can draw inside of this feed. Interactivity. Big stuff inside of a social media feed. Fun times, fun times. I wonder if this Veed site even works. Wasn't I just using that? Veed. Awfully specific. Okay. What about just regular old v.io? Oh my goodness. Wow. So what happens if I do because I don't want to take someone to my workspace. What if I put that into Talk.Online? What? I don't have enough Matic. I have my doubts. Reject. What do you mean? Alright, I done ran myself dry. Alright. Only one thing you can do. Copy this address. Fun little time. Pull up a different address. And dun 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 dun. Look at this. Pending. Turn it off. Get those lights off. Alright. Boom. Who said I was broke? Alright. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, Vita's a communist. They don't share their data. Losers. Alright, one thing I did want to try is the Twitter Embed API. Twitter Embed vanilla JS. Widgets JS. Setting up Twitter for websites. A tweet button, the user configuration tools, and then copy and paste the generated HTML code into the template or widget area for your site. Okay. Include the Twitter for website JavaScript Watch-Center page template for optimal and to enable the tracking of Twitter widget JavaScript events. If your site is using multiple widgets, you can set up Twitter widgets in your page once, which will make your site faster. Okay, an ID. Okay, I have to. Okay. Synchronously load. Okay. Window.twitter equals blah blah blah. Create element S. Did they just make this as unreadable as possible? Why is it named S? JS.id equals ID. Do people not understand that this seems like it does nothing? This line of code, JS.id equals ID. Okay, that doesn't really, what? Okay, src equals, okay. Parent node, okay. Optimizes loading. So theoretically, I should just be able to, put this into a blank HTML page and it should work, right? New file. Test test x.html. Alright. Okay. Now Talk.Online / test x.html. Blank, yes. but no errors. Interesting. Okay, so why they just made this like as, okay, this is an if statement. So, okay, if return, okay. So that's just one line of code, right? All right. So really, you can argue that it's not very complicated, right? But except the thing is that this doesn't do anything, right? Document, script, Twitter widgets. Okay, but then how do you actually use it, right? Okay. Embedded tweets. Embedded, yeah. Okay. Publish, okay. Oh, I see. All right. A tweet as simple as pasting. Make a in your CMS or app. So does it? If I literally just do this, does it work? What happens if I go into TestX, go down here, and just push the link itself in the HTML? Does it come up with anything? Gives me that. Okay, so it must have to be in the JavaScript. I take it. Okay. Yeah, it's like, what the heck is that? Okie dokie. Da, 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 da. Our widget scans the DOM on execution, converting. Oh. So, okay, I see. Wait. Wait a minute. So what I need to do is go into Twitter. Oh. Not the better platform. We want to steal stuff from the other stuff. Okay. Let's, embed post, right? Oh. Embedded post. Okay. Now, okay, we copied that code. Now, if we go and do this, in theory, it shows up looking good, right? In theory, it shows up looking good. But that's only in theory. In practice, it actually looks good too. Interesting. Okay. So now, in theory, right, if we can take this, let's literally just add it separately to the top here, right? Zoom in the head. Now let's do it. Oh wait, in the body. Okay, wait. Let's do it. We do the scripts, right? And then we can literally just fit this script right here. And then this is a module, so maybe it won't work, but maybe it will. Or maybe let's do it after or something. Okay. And let's see if this compiles or whatever, if this produces any errors. Okay. Seems like we caused a problem. What's the problem? Get post. See, that's kind of been a problem though. Okay. Why? Work, work, work. What in the world? Why would it not be working? Okay. Come on. Come on, different. We're working fine. We're working just fine. Alright. So, alright. Now we're just gonna see if maybe it's Chrome that's being an idiot or what. Alright, because we got Grand Ole Opry right here. Okay, so close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. Yeah, we can close this one for now. Alright. So, we have no post, and then we have this. So, now we do this. Shift F5. Holy moly, it works. And the elements are here. We got posts, but we also have this JavaScript right here. Okay. So now the question is, are you ready? So wait, is this? No, that's not what we wanted. Control Z. So now what we want to do is take, copy this, take that, boom. Oh, and we don't have any freaking Matic in here. Oh man. Okay, well let's see if it's working this time. Talk.Online. Okay. It's working this time. Which one is this? Okay. No. Oh yeah. Alright. Confirm. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. Confirmed. New. Read. Rating view. Oh. So it doesn't. No. It just seems like they don't interact with each other at all. Why doesn't it want to use this? So that just seems odd to me that the test case I had worked, right? This thing, I don't know what the difference between Talk.Online / TestX, right? It shows up like this, but then it appears, right? Whereas this, just doesn't seem to run, right? Block quote class equals Twitter tweet. what if I need to run this like in a script after the module? Let's just try that. Huh? Why not? Why not just try that? Try it like this. What's the downside in trying it like that? Shift F5 here. Didn't really work here. But, you know, this is a cool mobile view, mobile style view. See, we need to make these things squares because the rectangles really aren't cutting it for these things. But I do like this thing. Nice. All right. Well, at least we tried. Because if I delete them, right, it really messes it up. It doesn't. I just wish it looked like this. I guess maybe say if you try to do your own thing, it messes it up. I must say, this is still working, right? Yeah, it just doesn't. Okay. Well, it still doesn't even look bad, right? Oh man. All right. See, if it was as simple as pasting a tweet URL equals this, right? I guess I don't know what a CMS is. Alright, well, my disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined. Okay. Let's pull up the old Monday. So status stuck. Time to get a kombucha. Getting a kombucha today. Drinking kombucha my way. Drinking kombucha my way. So what is it about the post page you want to change? Post data, replies, plain text, edit post. All right, what about the algos? Okay. So new, if form length, return object. If form length. Okay. What if we just say, okay, let an object runner equals form length on its current page, right? Check this out. So form length, okay, minus, what is it we got here? Current page times 6. Plus 5. So we're going to set it to be the exact same thing, right? So let runner equals that thing, right? Current page times 6 plus 5, right? Okay. Okay, so that's what we start the runner off with. And so then we do let's just say let count equals 6, because we use 6 hard coded a lot here. So anyway, control F6, right? We use it so many times. Jeez. Okay. So, yep. See, no, not those. Not those ones. Not those ones. So, yeah. Okay, anyway, we really just wanted to use it count times current page, right? which this really should be a parameter of the function. All right, so. Where was I going with that? I don't even remember where I was going with that. So it seems like if we're not going to commit to it, we shouldn't really do it. All right, let's just go back to square one, right? Okay, so return object here should actually, let's just say we're going to copy this, right? And they're just going to change it to runner, right? Okay. Let runner, okay, runner equals this, right? And then let count equals 6, right? So then while count equals 0, while count is less than 6, right? You say we already have returnable, right? Let returnable equals right? Let returnable equal an empty array. While count, if form length, okay, while count is less than 6, okay, if forum length or runner, okay, so the if statement is if runner the post of runner, this is pseudocode right here, post of runner dot get con scores is greater than 0, then we have runner minus minus okay, and this is just a threshold, so let threshold equals 0. Gets cornerstones is greater than threshold. Runner minus minus. Else returnable all right, so we have some pseudocode written, right? Return, what the heck? Returnable dot push, right? While count is less than, except count is actually already, so instead of count we do returnable dot length. While returnable dot length is less than 6 if runner minus minus, else returnable dot push post ID, right? Okay. Well, returnable dot length is less than 6. Okay. Match. Okay, it's on this. Okay, so if post contract object dot get post, if contract object dot get post runner, okay, dot get post runner, right? Let post equals await. You gotta await, right? Await get post runner, right? Let post you if post you judged. Post to be judged. And do I have and I gotta go back to GitHub, look at the solidity. We have we have some kind of getter, right? Return pro algo. Oh, we do just have a straight get con score. Await get con score. Okay. Await under the get con score of runner. Let post score if post score is greater than threshold. Okay, I'm actually not even seeing any errors here. Okay, it doesn't. Post ID is bullshit, right? Returnable dot push runner. Because runner is this, right? Okay, we push runner, but then we also still need to decrease. Else, okay. If post score is less than or equal to threshold, returnable dot push. And then we get rid of the else statement and we just say runner minus. All right. I legitimately think this might work. No, you got get con score. What do you mean? contract algo.get conscore is not a function. Get conscore. Okay, all right. It seems like you're getting a little bit, the capitalization here. Is that really the hill you're gonna die on, compiler? Did I capitalize my variable right? No issues. Okay. So we actually should just not see anything that's been downvoted, right? Okay. Right. But if we go to new unfiltered, we do see things that have been downvoted. Don't we? Maybe not. Okay. Maybe it takes a while to see something that's been downvoted. Oops. Okay. Okay. Post 52. Okay. But what if we're on the new page and we scroll all the way down to post 52, we don't see it, right? I need more disliking. I need to do a little bit more disliking of posts. Next time I see a remc.eth, maybe I should dislike it. Yeah, this one sucks. Let's downvote it. Come on. What do you mean? Thought we were friends. Oh, here we go. Nice. Alright, so now, but let's just scroll down to 52 anyway, just to prove everything's working, instead of relying on new behaviors. Right, there's no 52. Boom. Nothing that's been downvoted shows up, right? Boom. Okay. So what is that post by remc.eth that is hold on. Connect. All right. So we got new and we got new unfiltered, right? Okay. So some all right, where's this one that it's post? Okay, this one's 68. I shouldn't see a post 68. Okay, now it decides just to break on me, huh? Alright, well. So that's how it's gonna be, huh? Alright, anyway, I need to download. See, this trading view doesn't exist either. Right? Right now it does on this, right? Okay, doesn't it feel like this trading view thing shows up, right? But what if we did a little downvote action and then refresh the page? Well, it wouldn't show up here, but it would, right? Did we get a confirmation on that? Here we go, confirmation. Nice. All right, new unfiltered. This thing's been downvoted. All right, but now, since we're new over here, we're not going to see that trading view. What post is it? 96? Oh, what? And it has the negative score? What? What? We sure about this? We're seeing post 96? What? When we're on new? What? Okay. Conscore. Console.log. Post score. Okay, let's see if we're getting that 19 right there. You know what? Let's see if we're getting 19 over here. Because we got a, oops, there we go, console. Okay. Post 96, right? Okay, algo.js19. Oh, okay. So is big number, is big number. So it's returning this big number thing. But the, oh wait, okay. So it's 0 for this one, but then this one, the hex value is something big. So we actually need to do a little get runner, get con score, let post score equals runner, except dot underscore hex runner. Oh wait. Okay, so it's get con score runner dot hex, right? And you also have to parse end it, right? You might have to parse end. This might not work. All right. Don't see post 96. Yep. Jeez. All right. Okay. Good. Nope. Okay. Let's just try this. Huh? Let's try this. What in the world? Just crashed my web page. All right. Oh no. Console. Okay, let's just hang on a second. Okay, we already have this, right? So let's copy this exact same code and just say let post score equals post score 1 equals runner dot underscore hex. All right, and now talk online shift. Okay, Control Shift I because we're, oh man. What about, do you work? This thing still works. New one filtered. Console.log post score. Why are we not getting a? Oh shoot, because we're not on the right algo. Hold on, just hold your horses just a minute. New. Boom. Okay, right? I'll go. Okay. But what if we do post score 1? Huh? What about then, computer? At algo.js 20? What? Runner dot big number. What in the world? Algo.js 20, kind of get con score runner. Or 1 equals post score or okay, come on, let's give it a shot. So it seems like regardless of my best efforts, it still is returning the same thing that I want it not to. Okay, now that I shift F5, that kind of solved an issue I was having. Okay, dot hacks. Okay, but we do want to parse post score dot hex parse int dot hex with 16. All right. Shift F5 action. Nope, on this one. Shift F5, and we get plenty of good stuff here. 3.15 E22. Okay. 16. Okay. Point being, that's higher than 0. Post score 1. All right, now this should actually work for real this time. Okay, that's really annoying that it freaking can't use Talk.Online on my own computer right now. Okay. Right? So when you did that, you ran that 5 times, then you ran that 6. So it seems like, yeah, this would have pushed you over the edge, and you wouldn't have seen post 96 that has a negative score. But we did see that. So did we see anything else that has a negative score, or what? I don't know why we would be seeing things that have a negative score. If you catch my drift. Yeah, so we got a good number of things there that have a negative score. So, okay, right? Algo.js is 20, right? Post score 1, right? So if post score 1 is less than or equal to threshold, right? Okay, because it's the big int math is messing up here. That's what's going on. You don't want your big int math messing up. Okay. I feel like to even display these things, we need to do something, right? Doesn't this have some kind of right? 1 6, right? All right, so that's just what it returns, right? Computed. Let's look back at this helpers. And I think that may have 1 6. Right? Okay, this is kind of math.seal divided by 10 to the 18. Check that out. That is a wild bit of freaking... Okay. That is a wild bit of freaking code you wouldn't just come up with on the spot. Right? Helpers. So now we're in Polygon. Algo. We're working on this. Oh man, have I been doing this all in the regular algo? Oh man. No. Or did I just not save it? That would be even dumber. No, I have this. Okay. It's right here. Let post score equals parse and divided by all right, now we're going back here. Right. Post 96. Kind of odd behavior from you there, right? Because we specifically requested console log post score if post score is less than threshold, right? Oh. Okay, wait. Hang on a second. Yeah, it would make sense that I would need to comment out this other code, right? And then, because that seems like that if I'm assigning returnable, that would be a good reason why the code would be doing exactly what it had always been doing, wouldn't it? But I would still feel like I was debugging there. So, all right, now let's give it another shot. Shift F5, baby. All right. No post 96. We don't want to see post 96 or anything that has down. No downs. No downs. Come on. No con scores. No con scores. Let's do it. No con scores. 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 Nothing that's been downvoted, please. Nothing that's been downvoted, please. Nothing that's been downvoted, please. There we go. Code's working. The code is working. Let's go. Yo. The code. It's working. Yes. Yes. Hey, did I see 2 Tiger Woodses though? I didn't. I was like, I swear I saw a big dog. And then I saw it again. Interesting. Post 64 twice. Okay, so I need to not be refreshing it every time. And I just need to be like, oh, we got a runner. Bars in it. So then, and runners greater than 0. Okay. Hopefully, we don't see 2 Tiger Woodses again, right? This is a reply, though. We have 2 like NVAs or something. Okay. Okay, right. So the problem with runner here is that it just shows the most recent, like, so it shows replies as well right now. Let runner, okay. Well, we just can't decrease runner minus minus, right? Okay, so when we push, okay, wait, so we push runner. Do you want to update the way we update runner? So if post score less, so post score equals contract object dot get con score of the runner. Right, so but it's not the post ID of the runner is not. Okay, so the runner is basically the form length, and we want to decrease it by 1 every time. But it's not the post of the runner, it's the index. It's like the index of the because there's like the OG, right? And the new one filtered, you got to do OPs. It's OPs runner. Okay. Get con score of OPs runner. Okay. Now let's see about this. Shift F5. Shift F5. Connect. Ethers.min.js. That seems a little bit odd to get again. Let me see if I get it in this browser. On this we do. Okay. So, sorry about that one. Alright, let's bring that back. Okay. OP's runner, right? Two. Is this really the index, right? Oh, so this is all information gotten from a post, right? So I guess the con score was a part of that already, right? So we don't need to do the get con score. We need to do let post score equals OP's instead of this, it's OP's runner. Let's keep it how we had it. Okay. But let's console.log OP's runner here. All right, let's save this. Boom, Shift F5. Connect. Okay, algo.js21. Okay, it's undefined. What is even OPs at this point? Yeah, this is why I wanted to do OP's runner. OP's. It's an array, right? OP's runner. How is it undefined? Console.log runner. Oh, it's high. No, they match perfectly. The ones we see right here. Okay. Okay, 18. Runner. P's runner. OP's 101. Just seems to be in denial. What? Let OPs equals OG4. Oh, okay, because some of these, there's like a number of total posts that exceeds the number of the replies, right? Okay, all right. I'm getting it now. All right. Okay, so runner needs to be runner starts off as forum length. Okay, let runner equals forum length. Okay. OPs. Right, at least we should actually have something appear here now, won't we? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. '90. Console.log. Okay. Runner. Right. All right. Now we're onto something. Okay. Isn't it? When we get a post, shouldn't it have a bunch of stuff in it? '19, right? So we get hmm. OPs. OPs. Hmm. Doesn't get post retrieve a bunch of um, instance information about? Shouldn't this be an array of arrays? If we runner OP's runner let's search around at the OPs. Here we go. OPs OG4, right? Okay, OPs equals OG4. OPs OPs Okay. Oh, OG4 is just a list of all the replies. Okay. So, all right. So OPs. Okay, so we're just retrieving the IDs. Okay. So OPs is really just the list of IDs, right? So, so runner is really the index, right? Right. And it equals the form length. Then we log number, right? Okay. Okay, so then this is the actual index we want, right? Index equals index to retrieve equals, okay, ops.runner, all right, dot hex or whatever, ops.runner, dot hex, shift F5. Oh no. Control C, boom. Shift F5. OP's runner. Okay. Let index to retrieve equals OP's dot runner console.log index to retrieve. Oh, nope. All right, here we go. And index to retrieve is not defined. To retrieve. Index to, let index to retrieve. Da 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 da. Okay. Index to retrieve equals ops dot runner, right? At 21, right? And that, okay. But we want dot hex, all right? And actually, when, oh no. What? Okay. F5, right? OP's, okay. Parse int. Hey!
How's it going?
How's it going?